Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple process of setting up your Devolo 9791 Wi-Fi extender. Whether you're looking to boost your Wi-Fi signal or eliminate dead zones in your home, this guide will have you up and running in no time. Let's get started. First, let's unbox the Devolo 9791. Inside, you'll find the Wi-Fi extender, a quick start guide, and an Ethernet cable. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password handy, as you'll need them during the setup process. Next, plug the Devolo 9791 into a power outlet near your router. Make sure it's within range of your existing Wi-Fi signal for the initial setup. The LED light on the front will start blinking, indicating that it's ready for configuration. Now, grab your smartphone, tablet, or laptop and go to your Wi-Fi settings. Look for the Devolo network, which should appear as Devolo XXXX. Connect to it. In your browser, type http://setup.devolo.com or http://192.168.178.1 and hit enter. This will take you to the Devolo setup wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your extender. After the setup is complete, unplug the Devolo 9791 and move it to the area where you need better Wi-Fi coverage. Plug it back in, and wait for the LED light to turn solid green, indicating a successful connection. Finally, connect your devices to the new extended network. You should now experience a stronger and more reliable Wi-Fi signal in areas that were previously dead zones. You can also use the Devolo app to monitor and manage your network. If you face any issues or need assistance, our team of skilled professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for support and guidance. Contact us at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt and reliable solutions to your queries. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Devolo 9791 Wi-Fi extender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.